how to see who's active on Instagram. So if you want to check who is online on Instagram, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, go for the messages option, which is on the upper right. And once you're here, now I have already turned on my active status. So here you can see that these green dots means they are active on Instagram. So if you want this green dot, or if you want to see who's active on Instagram, then what you need to do is go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go for the upper right, which has that three bar. Tap on settings and privacy, and then you need to simply go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then search for active status. And here you will have show activity status. Tap on that, and here you need to toggle that on. So once you toggle this on, this will allow your accounts that you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram applications. So when this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So just simply toggle that on, and that's it. That's how you can see who's active on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.